Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a vase mock-up in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into making selection using pen tool, create clipping mask, and changing of blending mode. So let's get started! So here in our document, I prepare here a white vase, and our goal here is to apply this pattern on the vase. All right. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a selection around the vase with the use of a pen tool. All right. So let's just zoom this one in. Let's go to the toolbar, get the pen tool. This is the symbol of pen tool look like, or just press P for the shortcut key. And then for the options panel, I'm going to select on path. And then we may now start creating path around the face. And there you go. So once we already have this path around the vase, right click on it and then choose make selection. And this dialog box will appear. For the feather radius, set that to 1 pixels. New creation, hit OK. And there you go. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, going back, now the next step here is we're going to create this vase layer of its own. So with this selection, and then select on the background layer, press Ctrl plus J. And let's name this layer as the vase. Now let's go to the other document for the pattern. Yeah, this one. I'm going to bring this layer to our document. So press V for the move tool and then click and drop it on our original document. There you go. So as you have noticed here, the size is much big. So press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. And then let's decrease the size. All right, there you go. So let's compress this one. With this transformation command, press Ctrl, hold it, and then click and drag this one. All right, for us to compress. And also the other side. All right, well, that seems good to me now. Once you're good with it, hit OK. The next step here is we're going to create clipping mask. So with this pattern layer selected, right click on it, and then choose create clipping mask. Right, so and you may be able to fix the pattern that you want to apply on the vase. Okay, now the next step here, to make it more natural, let's change the blending mode. So with this layer selected, or the pattern layer, let's name this one as pattern for not to be confused. Okay, with this pattern layer selected, click this one for the blending mode, and then choose on multiply. There you are. Now that seems look realistic, but we still want to enhance the blending options of this. So to do that, with that pattern layer, right click on that and then choose blending options. And this layer style dialog box will appear. Then from the blending options, let's go down here, go to underlying layers. So from this slider, we're going to split this highlight slider. So press Ctrl, hold it, and then click and drag the other half of it, moving to the left, creating an effect that looks natural on our vase. There you are. Now that looks cool. Right, and also from the shadow slider, same thing. Let's split that out. Hold Alt. Then click and drag the other half of the shadow slider. Okay. Right, so that's how we set that. Then, once you're good with it, hit OK. Now we're good with this. Now let me show you the before and after. So this one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to design a vase mock-up in Photoshop.